welcome. Are you over in Rome? Where are you now?
Yes, yes, in Rome for a few
You have
days.
for a
Then
few
I'm
days.
leaving to Sardinia Island in 5 days.
So thank you so much for joining us today, and congratulations on all of your amazing transformation that you've
Thank
had.
you. Really, thank you.
So remind me, how did we meet?
Well, we meet through a common friend. Thank to Jacqueline. At
That's
that
right.
moment, I was living a quite disaligned moment in my life. I felt really that my body was absolutely out of alignment with me. So I've been working, I'm a spiritual coach, as you know. So I'm
Mhm.
really working, first of all, with myself and, my thoughts. Okay. But my mind was really out of alignment, totally. And I've been, working and trying different things along my life, actually. And because since I was like 25 years old, I start gaining weight and I've never had it, stable again as I want. So I've lost, but then, again, and so always back and forth like a yo-yo diet.
Yeah.
Exactly. So I was looking, really trying to find an answer to my problem. So when I listened, when I got the possibility to listen to you, I really gave me the possibility to hear, I'm really open to everything. So I say, let's see if finally I can find the solution. I had so many aha moments and wow moments. I was like, oh my God, that looks so different. Let's see. And so a couple of circumstances also made it easy for me
Mhm.
because you understood that, of course. So I was really very enthusiastic about doing it, but then of course you know uh, also the real life comes, and I was very
Mhm.
excited, but then I say, oh my God. And then you say, no problem, don't worry, I mean, we can do it. There is ways. If you want to do it, I help you. And so you trusted me, I trusted you, and it was just a feeling. I say, yes, that's my moment. And
Well, you were
I
also
mean,
looking for something holistic that wasn't about
yeah,
pills or
yeah.
supplements or detoxes or any of those kind of things. Yeah.
I wanted to
Yeah.
feel the elasticity to move my body, to feel again all the energy, and to be able to be happy again with everything that was concerning my physical health that was missing. And when I saw the program, I mean, like with the mindset, and so I'm a very rational person. So I have to understand, it's like, okay, I can follow, but I have to understand what is behind. So, like, day after day after day, I was like, oh, okay. Oh, so this is why. Oh, okay, that makes sense. And so, doing all the exercises little by little, and getting in the mood, and then with, of course, with the every Tuesday meeting each other. So I was free to ask you whatever I was feeling, and you were all the time so accommodating. You were explaining to me, okay, don't worry, I mean, this is normal that you're feeling so, and it's normal that this is happening. So I got really the coach behind, so I had my answers, and I was really feeling free, to speak to you, and I knew you were there. I mean, I don't know how to explain it. It has been a really wonderful path together. I mean,
It's been lovely. And Sonia really, she didn't have tons of weight to lose, but she had what she described a heaviness, not just about the scale, but she just felt heavy and she wanted to feel
yes,
light in her
yeah,
body again.
yeah, yeah,
And she
yeah.
did, yeah, she wasn't wearing the clothes she wanted to wear. She wasn't doing the activities she wanted to do. It was starting to be a kind of low energy place that she was in. And she wanted that back, that kind of youthful
Yeah.
energy and lightness. She lost all of her weight, short of just a couple pounds, and started introducing foods back in. She thought that she could get back to in a while, but we've already started adding her regular foods back in. And
Yeah.
you shared with me, you said, oh, if you'd be so popular in Italy, if you could teach people how to get back to eating pasta, you'd be like the most famous person in Italy. So
Yeah.
yeah, but
Because
it's
here,
true.
the problem is that when the people do the diets here, they're not understanding really how it works in the body.
Mhm.
So it's like they are not getting the point. So there is a point, because it's not that we cannot eat anymore the pasta and the things that we have here. It is just that you can learn how to do it. And
How
then,
different
like,
and when?
yeah, your body is out of the sugar cycle, so you don't actually need it. I mean, it's like you see the pizza, you see, I pass
Put it in
in every
there?
corner there is pizza here, and I was like, okay, maybe I will go next week, or but I don't really miss that anymore. I travel a lot with my job,
Yeah.
and I'm always in hotels, and I'm always in events, and I'm always everywhere. And so in front of a buffet, of a hotel buffet, I was not able to resist, because the things inside me, the sugar things, they come when you see
Mhm.
those things.
Yes,
It
once you
doesn't
became
happen
fat
anymore.
adapted.
I'm like,
Yeah. Once you became fat adapted and you stopped relying on sugar, the
yeah.
decisions, what were the decisions like? Once you were fat adapted, how was it making decisions?
I was really very preoccupied. Remember the first days I came to you, and I'm like, Sheila, I'm not hungry. I wake up in the morning and I cannot really eat. I mean, what if I eat, it's just because I have to eat, but I don't really feel like I have to eat. And you said to me, well, welcome to the world. That's what is supposed to
Yeah.
happen. I started discovering the benefits of intermittent fasting and the EUPAG and all of that things that I've never heard about. And I was like, well, I'm there. I mean, I didn't know I was going there. It was automatic like that. But, and it happened very fast, actually, I have to say. And you said, you have to eat. And I was like, what? I'm on a diet and I have to eat?
Yes.
No, it was incredible,
It
incredible.
becomes
No,
a
no, no.
problem.
You eat. You
Yeah.
put your cream and your berries, and I'm like, what? I can have that at the end of my meal? And yes, you have to. Please eat. And I'm like, okay, I will try to eat.
I
It
know
was
we're so
incredible.
used
I
to
mean,
diets being about starving that it really is
no,
about
no, no.
eating more and not
Yes.
eating less. It's a strange
Um,
mindset shift, but why don't we share before we're done here? We're almost out of time, but I wanted to share your results that you've had so far and that you are continuing into maintenance when you get back from
yes,
Sardinia.
yes,
But
yes.
what were your results? Do you remember?
Yes, of course, I remember.
Okay.
I
So
remember very well, and I'm still going down. So
yeah.
I'm still, because my lifestyle now, that's it. This is the most, this is the freedom I have, that I know now how, how I have to
This
do. So
effortless
the,
thing we talk
the
about.
results,
Yeah.
the results, I have lost 10 kilos. So I don't know how much is that in,
Like 23 pounds.
yeah, and that's really a lot. But
Yeah.
I'm not finished. I want to still go down a couple of kilos more. Even now, the people is saying to me, no, no, no more, because it's okay like that. You are going to feel too thin. No. I'm going to try. Let's see.
Yeah.
But so like that, I have to stop losing weight. This
Your
is
body
something
will stop
amazing.
on its own. When you are eating enough and you're practicing dense nutrition, your body will find its own place. And it may not be
It's
where you think
amazing.
it should be, but it will find where it needs to be. And she's lost 2.5 feet off of her body.
Yeah,
Two and
the
a half.
amazing non-scale victories, like
Mhm.
you say, a lot, because I have put out my dresses that were in the closet for 15 years. I
Oh,
have never lost the hope to be able to wear again my dresses, because I'm a really I'm the I'm a queen, a dress queen. I love the dresses. I'm the dress girl.
yes.
But it was not the most beautiful thing to see on me late in those years. So I was with the pants and with the t-shirts and like that.
A
And
big
they
thing.
were there in the closet, in the boxes, actually. And little by little, I'm taking, first of all, the biggest, like the largest. And it was like, oh, I'm already there. And then, little by little, I'm taking like, this, I don't know, this is a little bit, shaped. So let me see. Wow, I'm already there. I cannot believe that. And so basically enjoying it so much, because I'm putting all of them. I'm like with all my shoes and all my little things, earrings. And I really got it. So it's amazing. And I feel
Wonderful.
very, very healthy. My skin and my body, I can move now much easily. It's a very nice sensation. It's really wonderful. Thank you so
Wonderful.
much.
Oh,
I
yeah.
cannot believe I did it. I mean, really.
You did it. You did the work. I was just there. I was just witnessing it, but you did the work. You showed up for yourself. That's what I tell people. That's the
Mm.
biggest one. Now, is there anything before we sign off here, Sonia? And thank you so much for being so generous all the way
Yeah,
over in
I'm
Italy and
so
Vietnam.
happy to share that.
Is
I was
any
like that. I was in March with no hope and no way out of really. I mean, for me, this summer was like, you know, and now this summer is completely different. You know, I'm so happy to put my dresses, and I mean, it just looks so different. So thank you, really.
You're very, very welcome. Is there anything else you'd like to share to anyone who might be looking at doing the program? Anything you'd like to tell them?
Well, that there is a way back. I mean, that you really have to trust, even if you have tried so many ways, okay, and they look all the same, like, okay, like a yo yo thing. The reboot program is something that you really feel it is for the last time. I mean, you got it. I mean, you get the idea, you learn, everything gets inside you really very deeply. And it gives you the freedom. That's the main thing in life. I mean, I'm a person that likes to enjoy life. So imagining myself dying forever to have my dresses, no thank you. I mean, I love my dresses, but life is life. Life is life.
Yeah.
So it's like doing efforts and sacrifice all the time. I mean, I don't feel I could do that forever. So when instead you have a tool that you can use that gives you that freedom to choose to be there, to stay there healthy, but knowing how to balance everything so that you can also enjoy life, well, that's the top. That's the top of the tops. I mean,
Absolutely.
and this is
It is.
what I found with you.
Well,
So
thank you so much. I really do value our friendship, and I look forward to seeing you when you're back from your trip for
yes,
Sardinia. I want some
yes,
pictures. Post some pictures
yes.
for us of what you're eating in Sardinia. I cannot
Yes.
wait to see these beautiful pictures. And thank you,
Thank you.
Sonia, for joining us today. It's been so lovely
Yes.
having you on. Be well. Ciao, Bella.
Bye. Bye bye. Ciao,
Bye.
ciao.